We all possess a wellspring of untapped potential within our minds. The Silva Technique offers a unique and powerful method for tapping into this reservoir, allowing you to achieve greater happiness, health, and success. This technique empowers you to transcend limitations and unlock the extraordinary capabilities that lie dormant within you. Prepare to embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation as we delve into the remarkable world of the Silva Technique. Imagine a life where you can effortlessly manage stress, overcome challenges, and manifest your deepest desires. The Silva Technique provides you with the tools to turn this vision into your reality. By harnessing the power of your mind, you can create positive and lasting changes in every aspect of your life. Get ready to unleash the incredible power that lies within you. Developed by Jose Silva, a self-taught parapsychologist, the Silva Technique emerged from decades of research and experimentation. Silva's groundbreaking work revealed that by altering our brainwave frequencies, we can access and influence our subconscious mind. This discovery formed the foundation of the Silva Technique, a practical and accessible method for personal growth and self-improvement. The technique combines relaxation techniques, visualization exercises, and the power of positive affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind and unlock your hidden potential. Through consistent practice, individuals from all walks of life have reported remarkable results, experiencing improvements in their relationships, careers, health, and overall well-being. Central to the Silva Technique is the concept of the alpha state, a relaxed and receptive state of mind characterized by slower brainwave activity. When your brain enters the alpha state, your subconscious mind becomes more accessible, making it an ideal time for reprogramming and positive change. This state is often associated with enhanced creativity, intuition, and accelerated learning. The Silva Technique teaches you specific techniques to effortlessly guide your mind into the alpha state, empowering you to tap into the immense power of your subconscious. By consciously accessing this state, you gain the ability to influence your thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors at a deeper level, paving the way for profound and lasting transformation. Section 4. Mastering the Technique, Relaxation, Visualization, Affirmation. The Silva Technique revolves around three core practices: relaxation, visualization, and positive affirmations. These practices work synergistically to rewire your subconscious mind and create positive changes in your life. Relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing and guided meditation, form the foundation of the Silva Technique. By calming your mind and body, you create the ideal conditions for accessing the alpha state. Visualization involves creating vivid mental images of your desired outcomes. By repeatedly visualizing your goals as if they were already achieved, you send powerful messages to your subconscious mind, increasing the likelihood of their manifestation. Positive affirmations are short, powerful statements that reinforce your desired beliefs and behaviors. By repeating these affirmations regularly, you reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Section 5. The Transformative Benefits of the Silva Technique. The Silva Technique has empowered millions of individuals worldwide to create positive and lasting changes in their lives. From reducing stress and anxiety to improving sleep quality and boosting creativity, the benefits of this technique are diverse and far-reaching. Many practitioners have reported significant improvements in their relationships, experiencing greater empathy, compassion, and understanding. Others have utilized the Silva Technique to achieve their career goals, enhance their problem-solving abilities, and unlock their creative potential. The technique's ability to tap into the subconscious mind makes it a powerful tool for personal growth and self-discovery. Section 6. Your journey begins here. Embark on the Silva path. Embarking on your Silva Technique journey is easier than you might think. Numerous resources are available to guide you, including books, online courses, and certified Silva instructors. A great starting point is to familiarize yourself with the basic principles of the technique and begin incorporating simple relaxation techniques into your daily routine. As you become more comfortable with the foundational practices, you can gradually introduce visualization and affirmation exercises. Consistency is key when practicing the Silva Technique. Set aside dedicated time each day, even if it's just a few minutes, to engage in the practices. With regular practice, you'll gradually experience the transformative power of the Silva Technique in your own life. Section 7. Embrace the power of your mind. A world of possibilities awaits. The Silva Technique offers a profound and empowering path to personal transformation. By harnessing the power of your mind, you can overcome limitations, achieve your goals, and create a life filled with purpose, joy, and fulfillment. Take the first step today and unlock the extraordinary potential that lies dormant within you. The journey awaits, and the possibilities are limitless.